के सामने कुछ नए क्वेश्चंस, नए पॉइंट्स लेकर आया हूँ लाइब्रेरी साइंस के। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। थोड़ा इसको बड़ा कर लेते हैं, सर आप लोगों को दिख रहा होगा आई थिंक। तो फर्स्ट है खान एंड मैन सिस्टम एनालिसिस हैज़ बीन यूज फर्स्ट बाय एच खान एंड मैन ऑफ R&D कॉरपोरेशन। नेक्स्ट, Hans wrote Living with Book. Living with Book by wrote Hans. Next, Henry Fayol, the father of classical school of management, related to Henry Fayol. Next, Henry Lafontaine, honored with Nobel Prize for his substantial contribution in documentation. Henry Lafontaine, honored with Nobel Prize for his substantial contribution in documentation. Next, C.M. Hansen devised Library of Congress classification system. C.M. Hansen devised Library of Congress classification system. Okay, लाइब्रेरी ऑफ कांग्रेस क्लासिफिकेशन सिस्टम से कौन रिलेटिव है? C.M. हैंसन। नेक्स्ट, डी ब्राउन एनोंसिएटेड द सब्जेक्ट क्लासिफिकेशन। ओके, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आता है। एनोंसिएटेड द सब्जेक्ट क्लासिफिकेशन डॉक्टर ब्राउन, डी ब्राउन। ओके, नेक्स्ट, E.L. Faraday, E.L. Faraday developed relational indexing. E.L. Faraday developed relational indexing. Next, James Duff Brown. James Duff Brown, the pioneer of open access system in British libraries. Okay, James Duff Brown, the pioneer of open access system in British libraries. Next, John Macfarlane, the first librarian of the Imperial Library, now National Library, Kolkata, India. John Macfarlane, the first librarian of the Imperial Library, जो अब नेशनल लाइब्रेरी के नाम से जानी जाती है। ओके, इंपीरियल लाइब्रेरी के फर्स्ट लाइब्रेरियन कौन थे? द जॉन मैकफार्लेन। 42, जेम्स आइवर propounded conservative, moderate and liberal theories of reference service. James Iver propounded conservative, moderate and liberal theories of reference service. Okay, conservative, moderate and liberal theories of reference service. Who's? James Iver. Next, James R. Rating gave the sixth law of library science: every reader his her freedom. ओके, जेम्स आर रेटिंग ने क्या दिया है? कौन सा लॉज दिया है? सिक्स्थ लॉ है ऑफ लाइब्रेरी साइंस: एवरी रीडर हिज हर फ्रीडम। जेम्स आर रेटिंग ने दिया है, एवरी रीडर हिज हर फ्रीडम। नेक्स्ट, जॉन कॉटन डना स्टार्टेड न्यूयॉर्क चार्जिंग सिस्टम। न्यूयॉर्क चार्जिंग सिस्टम जॉन कॉटन डना ने दिया है। स्टार्टेड by New York charging system, John Cotton Dana. Next, John Mitchell, the editor-in-chief. John S. Mitchell, the editor-in-chief of 23rd edition of DDC. Okay. Kasser give the concept of concretes and process. Casher give the concept of concretes and processes. Commodore Bharatkur took leading role for the library movement in Assam. Okay. Next, Larry Page and Sergey Brin developed Google. Larry firstly developed data flow diagram DFD. Data flow diagram DFD का full form data flow diagram. Larry firstly developed data flow diagram. Okay. Luther Gulick Postcorv. Luther Gulick Postcorv. M. Kessler advocated bibliography coupling for the first time. M. Kessler advocated bibliographic coupling for the first time. M. Kessler. Melvin Dewey. He for the first time started library school. Melvin Dewey. He for the first time started library school. Next, Paul Otlet. He for the first time used the term documentation in a lecture at in International Congress at Brussels. He for the first time used the term documentation in a lecture at the International Congress of Brussels. Paul Otlet ने. Luther Gulick coined the term postcorv. Next, C. Yovitz stated that information is data of value to decision making. C. Yovitz stated that information is data of value to decision making. Okay. Next, M. Kessler advocated bibliographic coupling for the first time. Modern Moon Moore MC Ferron stated that librarianship is not a profession. Madden Moon Moore MC Ferron. Madden Moon Moore MC Ferron stated that librarianship is not a profession. Okay. Next, Mortimer Tube developed Unitar. Next, M. Colvin stated the demand and supply theory of books. C. Colvin जो है MC Colvin stated the demand and supply theory of books. MC Colvin. Next, Melville Dewey quoted to provide the best books to the maximum readers at the least cost. Melville Dewey. Next, Melville Dewey devised DDC system. Next, Melvin J. Yogit categorized information need into current approach. Melville J. Yogit categorized information need into current approach, everyday approach and exclusive approach. Okay. Next, Mitchell Gorman suggested for book order vigilance pad BOVP. Mitchell Gorman suggested for book order vigilance pad. Mitchell Gorman wrote Our Singular Strengths. Neither Ranjan Roy. He for the first time in India DDC and AACR rule introduced. रंजन राय. थैंक यू दोस्तों, आज बस यहीं तक. नेक्स्ट वीडियो मैं जल्द लेकर हाजिर हूँगा. थैंक यू, बाय, टेक केयर.